Here is how to verify your age on Discord. First of all, you need to go to discord.com and log into your specific account. Then after, tap on this gear icon to open your user settings. Once you're here, go to My Account option. And here you'll get the option of verify in the age group section that will be available just below the phone number. If your age is already verified, the option may not be available. You need to click on Get Started and complete the human verification if required. And then choose Take a Selfie if you don't have a camera, and then scan the QR code to use your phone. If needed, you can change your camera settings and then click on Start Face Scan and ensure that good lighting and follow the on-screen instructions to verify your age. Once completed, your age group will be set and your age will be verified on Discord. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.